Hi friends, I'm Ruth and welcome to my channel Count Your Blessings. Hope you all are doing good. Well, for today's project, I'm sharing with you two fall aka rainy season crafts. And yes, I'm making DIY scented candles. One, I'm making a candle in a container and another is a teacup candle. And I'm using the candles that I have at home and it is a trash to treasure makeover. So without further ado, let's get started. For the first candle, I'm reusing this dish that I had for over 10 years. I gave it a good scrub, as you can tell from the scratches. And I'm reusing this candle which has been broken. And this was also another DIY. I'll link it in the cards above. I boiled some water in a vessel and placed the candle into the dish and tried melting it using the double boiler method, but soon realized that wouldn't work. So I chopped up the candle, and as you can see, this candle was a bit different. It was more like a powder when I tried to chop it. And I transferred it to a plastic bowl, a takeout container, and I melted it. I used a wick from the candle, wrapped it around a pencil, and placed it on top of the bowl. And then I carefully poured out the melted wax. At first, I didn't want to use gold coloring. And while melting the second batch, I added this room freshener. It's apple cinnamon and smells heavenly. So when the second round of wax was being poured, the gold specks came along and I thought it gave it a good look. I then set it to dry and forgot that I had boys at home who made it like this with their marbles, and so I had to pour some more on top. Do let me know how the weather is at your end in the comment section down below. The rainy season has begun for us. For the second candle, I just took a teacup that I didn't mind using, and I use this vaporizer oil in Ocean Breeze scent. and followed the exact steps as before. And again, melting the wax straight in the cup did not work out, so I used the bowl again. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, I have poured some more wax on top. And this is how the teacup candle turned. I did not have enough wax to fill the cup, and therefore I used a peeler and scraped some wax from another pillar candle and broke it and put it on top. I think it gives a nice look. Do share your thoughts in the comment section down below. And this is how it looks lighted up. Dun, da, da, da. And this is how it looks with the lights turned off. Thank you for watching. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Smile, Jesus loves you. Please be sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, bye-bye.